Clockify has brought in positive changes.
It replaced a big, complicated Excel sheet.
Just press start and that's it. It's just a matter of a couple of clicks and it's all done. Just like that. 4ofthem is mostly remote company. We have a platform that connects over 7,000 pharmacies in Germany and brings these pharmacies to the internet, to the web, with their own web shops and so on. The product is called 4ofthem, or we could translate this easy to your pharmacies. In the beginning there was 6-7 people. Now we are around 80 people. When we started growing, there was a few challenges, I will say.
We had this online spreadsheets where we had to manually enter the ticket we are working on and the time we worked on it, and it was terrible.
From this point, it looks like Stone Age. And with Clockify, we solve all the problems just like that.
Clockify is a transparent and easy-to-use planning tool. It helps me to plan resources and the time that's being spent.
Clockify has brought in positive changes because now tracking time is much easier. They open a ticket, when they start working on it, they can press start, then they can press stop when they are done, or they just enter time manually.
I use it daily, of course, first for checking my tasks, then for checking the team availability, and to also check how much time was spent on a specific task.
Clockify is a tool that makes our lives and processes much easier. When we do invoice for the client, we additionally attach the report that are generated from Clockify to cover this invoice.
I like the timeline. It helps, especially because you can see if you have a lot of overlap, if there is a certain time that you have a lot of people off.
One of the most useful features for me is planning time off, because it doesn't take a lot of people or a lot of time to plan something and execute it. It's just a matter of a couple of clicks and it's all done.
My developers send those requests to directly in Clockify. I can have a full view of the time of requests and approve or disapprove, depends. It replaced a big, complicated Excel sheet, and that's why it makes me happy.